Alright, quick tip. If you're ever on a ladder, always put a gaiter on your face because you're usually looking up if you're on the ladder. I hope you can hear me over there. So if you're ever on a ladder, always use a gaiter. You're always usually looking up and your face is directly in the sun. Right now I'm trying to, I don't know if you can see that. There's a security camera mounting system on there. And I want to paint this coop. I haven't painted it. I left it unpainted. I don't know, it's 5 years ago. I want to finally paint it. But the screws are stripped up there. They're stripped screws. So I got this that speed out thing where you kind of drill out stripped screw, because I already tried the rubber band trick. I already tried pliers. Pliers won't let me get up there because of the way the device is shaped. So anyways, another tip I guess I can give you is always wear a gaiter for your mouth too, because the directions reminded me to wear some eye protection because you might be drilling out chunks of metal and it might even break. So I thought, oh, that's a good idea, right? And then I remembered, because one time I was, several times, you know, when you're doing some, if you're like cutting the, what am I doing? Weed eating. If you're weed eating, it throws stuff at your face. I've had grass thrown in my face. Well, one time I actually hit some dog poo and it went in my mouth. I think. I'm not sure if it was that or the grass. It was something wet. So, another tip, if you're ever going to be using a weed eater, wear a gaiter too. But right now I'm using it because I don't want to get pieces of whatever that is going to be up there in my mouth either. But like I said, you probably got it too, right? If you're not wearing a gaiter, you're probably going to get like grass chunks in your mouth. Or even worse, like I just told you. So, I'm going to try to work this out and see if it works. That rubber band trick didn't work. Neither of the pliers, so I'm doing the actual tool. Hopefully that'll work.